Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. Let's continue with the exercises on the journal entries. We have to make it fast so that we can lectures now. So I'm in page number 84, Accountancy Volume 1, and exercise, say that exercise 3. Exercise 3. So we know that we are into the accounting equation. Let's start with it. Murugan commenced business with cash 80,000. So there will be an increase in cash 80,000 and there will be an increase in capital 80,000, right? Second entry is purchased goods for cash 30,000. Purchased goods for cash will increase the stock by 30,000 and will reduce the cash by 30,000. Accounting equations, friends, are the most simplest of problems to solve and very easy to score marks. Only thing is you have to be very clear on the basic golden rules of accounting. This is the most easiest way to get marks and less time consuming to complete as well. Paid salaries by cash. Paid salaries by cash will reduce the cash by 5,000 rupees and reduce the capital by 5,000 rupees. For example, because this is going to reduce the profit because it is an expense. So capital is equal to share capital plus profit and loss, right? Plus profit minus loss. So this is going to have an impact on capital. And next entry is bought goods from Kumar for 5,000 and deposited the money in CDM, cash deposit machine. Bought goods from Kumar. So that will increase the stock by 5,000 rupees. Increase the stock by 5,000 rupees. And wait, it's bought goods from deposited the money. So it is cash is going out and cash will come down by 5,000 rupees. Right? Introduce additional capital of 10,000 rupees. He is bringing an additional capital so that will increase the cash by 10,000 rupees and increase the capital by 10,000 rupees. Now let's total it. Let's total it. 50,000, 50,000. So the total of asset side 85,000 and the total in liability side liability side 85,000 is equal to F450. So total of asset side is 85,000 and total of liability side is 85,000. And let's continue with this next exercise. Just copying the format here. Next exercise is 4. Next exercise is 4. Let's do that. What will be the effect of the following on the accounting equation? Sunil started business with 1,40,000 cash and goods worth 60,000. So he is bringing in 1,40,000 rupees cash and stock worth 60,000. So totally his capital is 2 lakhs. 1,40,000 by cash and 60,000 by goods. So total capital what is being brought in is 2 lakhs. Next entry is purchased furniture worth 20,000 by cash. So it will reduce the cash balance and it will increase the furniture balance. Purchase furniture worth, so 20,000 furniture will increase and debit furniture account, credit cash account. So cash will come down by 20,000 rupees. This is depreciation on furniture. Depreciation on furniture will have impact on the asset value. So asset value will come down, and there will be impact on, because depreciation will reduce the cost of asset, and also it will have a reduction in the capital. Remember, depreciation account, depreciation journal entry will be will credit the assets and debit the depreciation account. So debiting expense account will reduce the profit. So that is the reason we are reducing it from capital. And furniture cost is furniture value is coming down. So we are reducing the furniture value by 800 rupees. Next is deposited into bank 40,000. So cash deposited in bank, it will reduce the cash balance and it will increase the bank balance. Debit bank account and credit cash account. So adding 40,000 in bank and reducing 40,000 in cash. Paid electricity charges through net banking 500 rupees. So we are paying electricity charges, it's an expense. By bank we are paying. So bank balance will come down by 500 and profit will come down by 500. It's an expense, so it will have an impact on the profits. And sold goods to Ravi costing 10,000 for 15,000. So cost of the goods is 10,000. So reduce from stock 10,000. Okay. And the sale value. The sale value of this goods is 15,000. So it means that there will be an increase in profit to the extent of 15,000. So to the extent of 5,000, the profit it is sold in profit. See, 10,000 rupees worth of goods is sold for 15,000. So there is a profit of 5,000 rupees coming in. What we will do is we'll add 5,000 rupees to capital, because that is the profit what we are getting, and it will have an impact on profit. Right? Then add 15,000 rupees to cash, because that is where actually you are getting the money. So debit entry will be, what will be the entry we'll be processing? Cash account debit to sales account, right? And we are also reducing it from. So we are getting the difference between cost of goods 10,000 and the sale value 15,000. The difference is profit 5,000 rupees. Profit will have an impact on the capital. Okay, so 5,000 rupees will add it to the capital. Stock is coming down by 10,000 rupees. The value of the goods is 10,000. Cash is increasing by 15,000 because sale value is what we are going to collect. We will be collecting 15,000 rupees. Is that clear? Next is goods returned by Ravi for 5,000 rupees. Whatever that we have sold to Ravi, he has reduced it, he has returned it, and the value of the goods is 5,000 rupees. So stock is added 5,000 rupees. Now, what will be the impact of profit and sales? 10,000 rupees worth of goods is sold for 15,000 rupees. So there is an 33% profit margin that is added here. So what will be the sale value of 5,000 rupees worth of goods? That will be 7,500 rupees. Am I making it clear? 10,000 rupees worth of goods is sold for 15,000 and goods returned by Ravi for 5,000. Ravi is returning the goods worth 5,000 rupees back to us. So it is a sales return, right? So 5,000 rupees worth of goods sale value will be 7,500 rupees. So it will have an impact on profit minus 2,500 and cash balance reduced by 5,000, 7,500. Now let's total it. It is 7,500. It's just making the total of the assets and liabilities. You can see here the total of assets and liabilities are matching. Just trying to highlight it here. Right? Total of assets is equal to total of liabilities. Asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. 2 lakh 1,200, 2 lakh 1,200. Hope these two questions, what we have solved now, are useful to you and you are able to follow. If not, if there are any queries or questions or clarifications on this, please let me know and put it in the comments so that I can get these things clarified. Thank you, friends, and have a great day.